Hi Populist, Steve here with this month's Culture Corner. This month I want to discuss the core value of professionalism. I love Populist's definition here and have come to adopt it as my own. So, we define professionalism as having a specialized knowledge and a competency, right? An honesty and accountability, a self-regulation and a self-demeanor necessary and needed in the commercial cleaning and janitorial industry. Now that's a mouthful, right? But there's a reason. It's very important, professionalism is. In his book, The Power of Professionalism, 7 Mindsets That Drive Performance and Build Trust, author Bill Wurtsma discusses 7 mindsets and talks about an array of people with these mindsets and what sets them apart from others in an array and variety of industries. So let's take a deeper dive in these mindsets and let's see how Populist's definition is just woven into them. Pretty fantastic. So Bill starts, he says, professionals favor getting results. Well, of course, Populist favors getting results, right? We do that through clear expectations and giving you honest feedback, right? He continues, professionals act like and realize they're a part of something bigger than themselves. We understand while we're on site working, our specialized knowledge and our demeanor lays out the brand our customer sees. He knows, or he continues by stating, professionals know things get better when things get better. We understand at Populist through honest accountability, we're opening doors that lead to trust, that foster productivity and reduce risk. Professionals aspire to be the masters of their emotions, not enslaved by them. That's why we strive to have our professional demeanor lead us, not our emotions any given day, right? He concludes by saying professionals aspire to reveal the value in others. That's why at Populist we understand quality partnering recognizes accomplishment and the skill needed to be successful in this industry. That's fantastic, y'all. We're doing something amazing over here. I've said it before, may I say it again. I love what we stand for here at Populist, and I know you do too. Matter of fact, if you haven't already visited our website, please do. You'll notice we have a whole page dedicated to how important professionalism is to us. So until next time, y'all, that's all I got. I hope you have a great rest of your month. Let's get it. Woo!